I'm back again. As I was saying, you have to remove these little side strips, the weather stripping. So on this, what is this, a Dodge Intrepid, which is a 2004. So I guess from a certain year, I guess from 99, I think, up to a 2004. Or if they made this 2005, I'm not 100%, but actually you got 1, 2, 3 screws on the side that holds this weather stripping on. So you just have to pull this down like that, take out those 3 screws out of here to remove that weather stripping. But at the top, you can just pull it out. You just pull it and make sure you don't stretch it out and all of that and get it out of, stretch it out of proportion, because you're gonna reuse that. And look at how it come off, so you can put it back on the same way. You know, and then you can take a flathead screwdriver, go through the channel right here, go through the channel right there and remove as much as the adhesive in there that keeps it stuck to the top, adhered to the top of the windshield. So I just took the screwdriver and draw and push it through the channels and remove all of the adhesive out of there, because I'm gonna reuse that and I'm gonna reuse these. So that's all you need. But like I said, it's 3 screws over here, 3 screws over there, and you can see how I got it laying down. Yeah, there go all the other stuff at the top. That's how you do that. So now I'm ready to get this windshield out. I just wait for my other help to come pull the piano string on this side while we slice it up out of there. So it's real simple. You know, all you gotta do is probably get better stick the piano string through the side right here. You can start at the top, don't matter, start at the top. But when you cut it out, make sure you're not hitting it up against this right here, kind of like had a string going like that, you know, while the other person pull on the inside. You want to go all the way around it from one end all the way around to the other side. That's that. Once you get that off, then you just take your scraper and scrape out the residue or the rest of the, you know, window adhesive, sealant, or whatever you want to call it. Scrape that off, get it nice and smooth. Then take your caulking gun, lay your nice little bead all the way around. Then it take 2 people to lay it in there. Put some tape at the top. Once you get everything in there, that'll hold the windshield in place. Actually, you got some little stoppers right here. See that? You got one here, one there. So that'll keep the windshield from actually moving around. But you put your 2 pieces of tape up there for 2 days, and you all good. All right, peace out.